Hi guys, welcome to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about top 3 most profitable cash cow YouTube niches 2023. YouTube automation cash cow channels. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, hello guys, in today's video, we will be showing you top 3 YouTube channels with very good niches, and we will be showing you some analytics and data to make you believe that these niches are actually successful. Now, you could use these niches that we will be discussing in today's video as a reference or as a basis on what type of niches that you should do for your YouTube automation. And keep in mind, the niches that we will be discussing in today's video has their own topics, and it's not easy to keep them up and running. So you're going to have to do a lot of research as well to be able to utilize the niches that we will be discussing today. Also, you have to keep in mind that the success rate or the results will not always be positive. Sometimes it depends on chances or how you are making your video. So let's get started. We will be showing you the first YouTube channel that has a very great niche called Scary Harry. Scary Harry is a channel that is very focused on top retirement places niche. And all their videos, as you can see, let's check out the different videos, are all focused on places to buy or like retirement places. You have 15 cheap countries to buy a house, 15 cities to buy a house under $300,000 in USA, and all the topics that they are creating have the similar concept or has the similar topic. As you can see, 15 safest countries to live in, 15 beach cities to live under, and many more. As you can see here, their niche is consistent. And let's see their analytics so that we can identify how much they are earning with their YouTube channel. As you can see here, and also they have a total of 207k subscribers, and for their views they have a total of 35,298,000 views. So over here in Social Blade, you could utilize Social Blade if you want with your own research. Through Social Blade, you will be able to find different data that could be possible or possibly helpful for you as a viewer. And as you can see here, this is the data. The total grade of Scary Harry right now is B, and these are the different data. They have information over here like subscribers for the last 30 days. Right now they lost 2k subscribers, but their estimated monthly earning is $133 to 2,100k, which is a lot. So you know that this niche that they are going with is a very successful niche, and you have a lot of potential to be earning a lot. Even though you could see the lowest is 133, the highest possible earning that you could get right now with this niche is 2,100. And you can also view how much viewers they have. They have less than their viewers, unfortunately, by 46.6%. But as you can see, you can also see the estimated yearly earnings over here. Their estimated yearly earning is from 1.6k to 25.5k. And you can also see more data over here below, like daily. You have the data over here, which is Friday. They have an estimated earnings of $5 to $84 on that specific day. Although some dates doesn't have earnings, as you can see, 0. You will be able to see big money such as over here, 147. And their daily average right now is $4 to $71 per view. And you can also see weekly average over here. Their weekly average right now, they are earning $31 to $496 over here. And you will be able to see the last 30 days as well, which is 133 to 2.1k, which is the data that you are seeing right now over here at the top. And the thing I like about Social Blade, you will be able to see many information about it, as you can see here, like the views and even subscribers over here. And that's it for Scary Harry. You can see that it has a lot of potential. It is one of the top cash cows right now in YouTube niches, and you could use and have this as a basis or a reference of what type of niche you should build your YouTube automation on. Now let's check out this second channel called Future Unity. Future Unity focuses on science, discovery, and technology niches. Basically, they are having videos about different documentaries are focused on technology and like the history, all of those stuff. You could see them over here, science, discovery, and technology niches. If you scan through their different videos, as you can see, they are gaining a lot of views per video. Even though they're posting like 2 weeks ago, they already have 40k views. And over here, this one, they already have over 500,000 views for this specific topic over here. So clearly, this channel is a very good niche. So let's see their data. Let's copy their URL and paste it over here in our social blade so that we could see the data of the specific channel. And there we go. This is their data. Their estimated monthly earning is 1.8 to 29,000K, which is much higher than our previous example, which is Scary Harry. Although Scary Harry is also a great niche, the Future Unity provides a much better niche. You can see here, they have an estimated of 1.8K to 29.2K. Their estimated yearly earnings is 21.9K to 350K, which is a lot, and their views has been increasing over the last 30 days for 41.0%. And you can see the data over here. On Friday, they were able to earn at least $67 to $1.1K, which is a lot for one day. So you could understand and see how effective their niche is. They have a lot of views, which you could observe on their different posts over here. They have a lot of potential. They already have a lot of subscribers, and their views are a lot. As you can see, there's a total of 450 million views on their channels right now, and you can understand and realize yourself without any explanation how good of a niche they are doing. So you could use them as a reference or a basis as well on how your video should be for your YouTube automation. And now for our last niche, it is about Quiz Invest, and this is basically about general finance niche. You could utilize this as well, and as you can see on their videos, they have a lot of views. Not as much as Future Unity, but they are still gaining a lot of views. And let's see the data. And this is also a great niche and a cash cow right now in YouTube automation. So let's search them over here, and we will be able to rank which niche are the best. So let's see the details over here. There we go. Their estimated monthly earning is $54 to $869, which is still a lot, although not as much as Future Unity, but with the type of topic they have, they are still earning a lot. And over here for estimated yearly earnings, they are earning $652 to $10.4K over here. And the views have been increasing, of course. And as you can see, during Friday, they were able to earn at least $3 to $41 for that specific video, which is really good. They are still able to earn money even though they aren't as high earning as Future Unity over here. And that's it, guys. Those are the top 3 niches that you could use right now for your YouTube automation. Now, the best one was Future Unity, which is focused on technology, discovery, and other topics, which is science. And for Scary Harry, which is the second one, the top 2, it focuses on top retirement places niche, or top places to go, or top places to buy houses and stuff like that. And the last one is Quiz Invest, which is also really great, although it's not as high as Future Unity or Scary Harry. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a like and subscribe